My name is Mark, been here 25 years. Pro-Laminates is a fiberglass specialist. We've been here since mid-1994 and we plan to be here for many more years. Make pretty much everything from car bodies, car mould bodies, all the wings, all the fenders, all the different dashes. We do all sorts of fiberglass work with different resins, polyesters, vinyl ester, iso resins, class 2 fire retardant. Pretty much got it covered on everything, although we do not get involved with carbon fibre if we can help it. I think we've got about 45 different car body moulds options, sedans, pickups from 1923 to 1941 Willys. We do reproduction fuel pumps, 1950s, copied off the steel ones, many different designs. We're definitely the biggest in the UK, maybe the world. I can't find anyone with more bodies than we have and more accessories to go with it. Got 4 people who work for us, or 5 people that work for us. All been doing it many years, no mistakes. Everything comes out perfect and all happy customers, which is the main thing. Get some tissue. Tissue.
So we got the windscreen out and the dash out, so the next thing is to unplug things one at a time and see if it still runs. The Kia is 4-wheel drive, so it's got 2 drive shafts, one that goes to the front wheels and one that goes to the back wheels. We only want it going to the back wheels, so I'm going to try and take off the front one.